What you're witnessing is a quantum leap in home ventilation and cooling technology. This is the world's second lawnmower powered ceiling fan, and it might just be the most dangerous ceiling fan ever conceived by a man. Now, regrettably, I'm not that man, but I know him. He's a good YouTube mate of mine, and his channel's called Pat Machines. If you're not following him already, he posts some of the coolest builds you will see on this platform. So going back to last year when he posted the original lawnmower ceiling fan video, I called him and I said, hey, this is really cool. Did you happen to find out what happens if this were to come off the ceiling and hit someone? And he said, no, I don't have to do that because I'm sure it wouldn't be good. And I'm sure he's right, but I'm a visual learner, so I have built my own, with his blessing, of course. So this is lawnmower ceiling fan number 2, and I've somehow convinced Ballistic Dummy Lab to keep sponsoring this channel. They've sent me some human body parts to attempt to chop up, analog human body parts. My buddy Dave showed up to help me, and we've set up the slow motion camera to answer this important question. I think we start off with the arm. Here's my thinking. You're sitting on the couch, your lawnmower ceiling fan's going, you can see it coming off the ceiling. Like it's this. Somewhere in this range, like that. Let's gas up our fan. Got a little, prime it a little bit. David, don't do any jumping jacks, okay?
Yeah.
All right, human arm versus lawnmower ceiling fan. I don't like this at all. How's this?
It seems dangerous for you.
What? Look at that.
It's like he was holding a firework or something.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
And it did it with ease too.
It felt like nothing. It felt like if I had just touched it to the ceiling. One hit. One hit.
I don't think that helmet will help.
I think you're right. Oh my God. I got a lot more scared just now.
Yeah, that's pretty scary. How positive are you that it won't tip over?
I don't know. Should I try again, like go a little bit more up towards the wrist?
Yeah.
Maybe like right in here?
Yeah.
Like get into the middle of the forearm?
Yep.
That's pretty beefy. No way. No, shut up. What? Do you see how far that is? We're still missing, there's a middle piece. Look, there's something. There's a finger. Oh, here's the palm. There's another finger. There's one right there.
Yeah.
Okay, we're still missing some arm. We've got above and below the elbow, but no elbow. Oh gosh. Just blunt force chopping.
That's crazy.
And then that's where it chopped the elbow off.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It went above the elbow, then below the elbow, and then just sent it into another dimension. It's not here. I know some of you guys are going to be curious how this is put together. So this is kind of the assembly, the gearbox, and it's not as neat as what Pat Machines did. Originally, I tried to have the blades done welded directly to the output shaft. Couldn't crank it. There's just too much inertia, I guess. And for the better, this engine operates at like 3,000, 3,500 RPM. The tips of the blades would have been doing like Mach 2 if we could ever get up to speed. What I've done a derivative of what Pat Machines did. This is a socket that I welded onto the nut of the output shaft, and it rubs against this tire, and that gives me about a 10-to-1 step down. So what that does is it gives the blades an operating RPM of about 350, which is a little bit closer to what you get in your home, and it gives me a little bit of slip, which means I can crank it, and when these blades hit something, theoretically, it shouldn't just disintegrate my entire mounting system. And bear in mind, safety's among my priorities. So each one of these legs is hammered 3 feet down into the ground. Then the whole thing was welded together, so it's not just sitting here on the surface. All right, I'm ready to try the head. It's blendered through your arms, and it's getting to your head whether your arms are up or not, right? So look, to lose my fingers, I have to go this high. So as long as I stop, I think, right?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Human head versus lawnmower ceiling fan. No! This isn't my blood. Oh my gosh, it's incredible.
That's amazing.
That
I can't
is-
believe it did it that easy too.
Did it look easy? I
Yeah.
closed my eyes.
The machine had no problem just chopping his
Really?
head off. No.
Oh my gosh! Oh! Whoa!
This is insane.
Look at my dumb hands,
Yeah, look at your
just
hands.
right there. After the first test we did, my hands are just right there like an idiot. Wow! Look at, oh! Hang on, okay. No one's gonna believe me that I haven't sharpened these blades. I don't, can you see that? This is just a dull factory edge. This is 16 gauge steel, I think. I can't remember anymore, but this is just regular factory cut steel right here. That's just crazy. So, okay, each one of these arms is about 3.5 feet long. It's about a meter, a little over a meter, 350 RPMs. If I remember right, the blades by themselves weigh, gosh, what was it, like 30 pounds? The energy that this is generating, kind of blowing my mind. I don't think I'm scared of this enough. Okay, I heard what I said, but Ballistic Dummy Lab sent me 2 of these heads. We've got 1 left, so we're doing it again. Oh my gosh, it's even worse. Dude, this is the top of the head. Oh, I think I caught him right in the mouth. Look at that. Oh, that's the brain. Oh, look at this. This is the base of the skull. Oh my gosh, here's the face. Oh, this is gruesome. Jeez, goodbye monetization. Ah! Oh, let's see that again. Oh, it's so much worse than the first one. Oh, right in the mouth.
I can't believe how much damage this thing does.
You wouldn't have any warning. I mean, you would have warning, but you'd blink and wake up at the pearly gates. That's unbelievable. Did we bend another blade? We did. We bent another blade. Holy cow!
Bad.
That's so much force. So maybe on the plus side is it couldn't hit you forever. It would eventually break and stop.
Have you ever seen this before?
Hitting people? What do you mean?
No, this, like doing this.
I saw his that he made, and I wanted to know what would happen if things went sideways.
Yeah.
It's actually a lot worse than I thought it would be. So let's collect all these parts. Look at that piece way over there. Was that from this one, or was that from the first one?
No, that's from this one.
I mean, it just exploded. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. We're hoping to hit 2 million subscribers before the end of the month. Don't forget to check out Patent Machines, and whatever you do, always remember,